Hello everyone, today we're going to do a comparison between the different sound systems, XL systems, Kato, Tsunami 2, and also Broadway Limited Imports, the Paragon 4. So let's get started. So this is the XL system. The XL system, they got me started with DCC and sound, so I owe a lot to them. And honestly, they're still fun. I still have the headlight control, bell, and whistle, so it's a lot of fun actually. And I do recommend them. And they've proven reliable for me. So I'm going from basically better and better and better sound system. So let's just back this up to explain. You can hear the engine rev up. So it sounds okay. I'm pretty happy with this. You can also hear it rev down. So that works good. So I'll have it rev up for you guys. And the same way, I'll have it rev down. And they also provided a very nice shutdown and startup feature. You have to hit F8 3 times to shut down. And then to start up, you have to hit F8 again. So that's really neat. We'll move on to the next one. I have not been using this engine in a while. I forgot how much fun this was. And I keep always with me. I keep my instructions handy. So this has a very nice startup sequence. Now the startup sequence is a little bit different. This one, you have to hit F5 to start up the engine. And I remembered I like using 128 speed steps and notching up the prime mover manually, which I find has the best results for the sound quality. Anyway, let's have a listen to this. So F5 to start up. Yeah, the bells to tell you that school's in. So headlight. This is the Tsunami 2. They have these square speakers And I'm always amazed at the quality of them. So listen to the bell and the horn. And as far as the sound file for the Alco, it's really, really good, really, really satisfying. So I like to increase the speed slowly. This is a Kato engine, of course it runs great. And then increase the prime mover manually. And we'll stop it so you can hear it rev down. It is really, really beautiful, really, really nice sounding engine. And then right down to idle. And then the shutdown sequence, you hit F6. So much fun. I'm going for some more track time. So if you want the story of how I installed this decoder, I'm going to put a link to all these locomotives install videos so you can see the installation of anything. Let's move on to the next one. Next is the Kato Sound Box, which runs your DC trains. So you hook up the Kato Sound Box. I have a video link to that, how to hook it up. And then you can hook it up to your favorite train, your DC train. So you don't have to put in a decoder. And then I use the line out to connect a really, really good sound home theater system with a subwoofer. And then you use like your favorite sound card from your favorite engine that you want to hear. We're working on Alco today. But if there's enough interest, we'll work on an EMD version of this video. So there's a nice engine startup. If you want to hear the full bass, you have to get a really good set of headphones, speaker or headset. Or if you want to listen to it on your TV, turn on your subwoofer. I'm increasing the DC power. It'll just rev up on its own. And like any sound system, I have the bell and I have the horn. So I rate this system very highly. I super enjoy being able to hear the loudspeakers and the bass sound. The other decoders, they sound small. This sounds big. So I'm going for another round of fun. Next is the Paragon 4 from Broadway Limited, and I've got it hooked up to the Rolling Thunder. So basically, all the Paragon 3 and Paragon 4 engine have a radio transmitter that transmits the low frequency to the Rolling Thunder box, and then that I got it hooked up to the same sound system I use for my Kato Sound Box. So that sounds amazing. It's got all the good features of the Tsunami 2 plus the subwoofer, so that makes a really big difference. So obviously that's my favorite sound system for N-scale locomotive. Put on your subwoofer, this sounds huge, and the startup sequence is F9. Don't forget to set that handbrake. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. I'm going for another round.